Happy New Year and welcome back to the EV Talk, the monthly video that gives you a roundup of all the latest stories from across the electric vehicle industry. I'm your host Connor Evans, lead consultant at Coalesce Management Consulting, a specialist engineering service provider supporting EV and eVTOL projects globally. This monthly video provides you information about upcoming projects and news from across the industry to help make it easier for you to keep up to date with all the latest updates in the EV and eVTOL sector. This month's top story has to be the unveiling of Supernal's SA-2 concept aircraft. The SA-2 aircraft is a 4-passenger vehicle and marks the latest milestone in Supernal's roadmap to commercialise affordable everyday passenger air travel. Supernal's CEO, Jaiwon Shin, has stated that Supernal have been on a mission to create the right product for the right market at the right time. Our second story comes from Joby Aviation, who have partnered with Clay Lacy Aviation to install Southern California's first electric air taxi charger at John Wayne Airport in Orange County. The installation of electric infrastructure to support Joby's electric aviation charging system comes as part of Clay Lacy's planned $100 million redevelopment of its fixed-based operating terminal at SNA, targeting completion mid-2025. The final story of today comes from Horizon Aircraft, who have entered into a letter of intent with Jet Set Go India to purchase 50 Cavirat X7 aircrafts priced at $5 million each, with the option to purchase an additional 50 for a total possible consideration of $500 million. They were the top stories from the EV and the eVTOL industry. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment, share, or even better, all three. If you have a new engineering project coming up, CMC provide advanced engineering services to help deliver your projects ahead of schedule and under budget. For more information, please visit www.expertisedelivered.com or reach out to myself directly on LinkedIn. Thank you for watching. I'm Connor Evans. This has been the EV Talk, and I hope to see you again next month.